Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take keycaps off your LENOVO LOQ 15. To take the keycaps off, I'm gonna use two tools to make it simpler. So the first one is gonna be anything that I can use to just pry it with, and then something that I can use to take it out. So this is a special tool for keycaps. It just allows me to easily take them out. So what I need to do now is first pry the key that I want to take off. By the way, I recommend shutting down your laptop, although so you don't click on anything. But I'm just taking the control key off, so you can see I'm prying it now. Then I'm just gonna use this tool to put it underneath the key on both sides. So you can do it vertically. I prefer doing it vertically, but it is up to you. Then on the other side, I'll also need to pry it somehow so I can put the tool inside. Let's try again. It's quite tricky, so laptop keys aren't like really easy to take off. By the way, be really careful with that because they are easy to damage. So if you're not experienced, then I wouldn't recommend doing that. Then if it clicks, you can just remove it with the finger now, or continue with removing it with this tool. Make sure it's done carefully. And now I've removed the bottom side. Now, okay, I think the key is off. So to put now you can clean it, and to put it back on, just put it like that. And press on it hard enough for it to click at least twice. And now it'll be off. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.